Hi, here I have some microwave popcorn by Pop Fully. Now, off camera, I went ahead and already popped a bag here. Here's what it kind of looks like, kind of a side-by-side comparison to my hand here, so you can kind of figure out sort of how big it is. But I'm going to try out this popcorn with you for the first time. So here we go, still steaming. Pretty good. I definitely taste that salt there. Not too buttery. Very lightweight and airy. And as far as filling up the bag goes, it fills it up really well. Here you go. You can kind of see the popcorn for yourself. And for the bag itself, I don't know if this is a me problem, but on a lot of microwave popcorn bags, I have a really hard time opening up the seal. Like, it always breaks on me and I have a hard time with it. But as you saw, like, I opened up the seal really well and it did not, like, the glue wasn't too sticky or whatever. It all held well, really well. Yeah, it's really good. And I recommend. All right. This was given to us as a sample. Bye.